Hi. All right.
Alaska French fries.
Okay.
There you go.
Thank you.
It's coming right up.
All right. Appreciate it.
It's going to be something.
This was SunTrust. Mm-hmm. This was SunTrust.
This is feeling that's no, maybe not.
It just wasn't a good location.
No.
Well, not for us, because we didn't really come to. We wasn't Walmart shoppers. But even though the late not Fanita, Monty told me I could get the turkey wings. So I'm gonna try to cook the turkey wings. She said I can get the turkey wings from here. So I'm gonna try to cook turkey wings.
I hear you.
Thank you. Sweet. I don't hear the confidence in me cooking a turkey. Thank you, baby. I don't.
What?
I don't hear the confidence.
When last time you cooked turkey?
That's not the point. I saw it on social media.
Oh, so you're gonna go ahead and try it.
Yes. The lady and them turkey wings look so good. That wind is blowing like a
it's blowing.
storm.